In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on Airbnb in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to rent out your entire place, a cozy private room, or even a shared room, these quick steps will help you get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Airbnb's hosting page by visiting www.airbnb.com/host/homes in your web browser. This page is your gateway to becoming an Airbnb host, and you'll find all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Once you're on the page, look out for the option that says either Get Started or List Your Space. Clicking on this will lead you to the next stage of the process. It's designed to be intuitive, guiding you each step of the way, so take a deep breath and dive right in. Next up is choosing the type of property you're planning to list. Airbnb caters to a variety of hosting styles, so you'll need to select whether you're offering the entire place for guests to themselves, a private room where they'll share some common spaces with you or other guests, or a shared room, which is perfect if you're looking to host a more social and communal experience. After deciding on the property type, the following essential step is entering your property's location and address. Accuracy here is vital, as it ensures that potential guests know exactly where they're booking. This will help your listing come up in relevant searches and ensure that travelers can find you easily. Now comes the opportunity to really show off what your property has to offer, adding photos. Choose high-quality images that highlight the best features of your space. Great lighting and clean, tidy rooms in the photos can make a huge difference in catching a potential guest's eye and making your listing that much more appealing. Next, you'll want to craft a detailed description of your property and list the amenities you provide. This is your chance to communicate the unique personality of your space and what makes it stand out. Whether it's the beautiful view, modern kitchen, or the cozy ambiance, be sure to mention all the details that would appeal to your ideal guest. Listing amenities clearly helps set correct expectations and attract the right type of guests. The next step is setting your house rules and your booking settings. This is where you can be clear about what is required of guests, such as no smoking or pets, fostering a better experience for everyone involved. Once that's set, it's time to set your pricing, availability, and cancellation policy. Be competitive with your pricing to attract more guests, but also ensure it reflects the value your property offers. Make sure your availability settings reflect when you're ready to host, and choose a cancellation policy that you're comfortable with, balancing between guest flexibility and host protection. Finally, take a thorough review of all the information you've entered. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. After publishing your listing, Airbnb might require a review, and if so, you'll need to wait for their approval. Once you get the green light, your listing will be live and ready to start welcoming guests. Congratulations, you're now an Airbnb host.